Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram voice message not playing problem. At first, your Instagram apps open. Now click on chat list. See this problem. Not playing. Okay, let's start follow my whole step. At first, your Google Play Store. Check your Instagram update. Search Instagram. My Instagram already updated. Okay, go back. Next step, go to your phone settings. Now apps. Now search Instagram. Now click storage. Now click clear cache and clear data. Now click all permissions. Allow this permission. All allow. Now your phone restart and hopefully your problem solved. Thank you for my watching. Now subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.